Today we're talking about a major moment in African fintech. PayPal is officially returning to Nigeria, this time through a partnership with Nigerian fintech Paga. This is big news, not just because a global giant is back, but because of the history that led to this moment and what it means for Nigerian users, businesses, freelancers, and the wider digital economy. After nearly 2 decades of restricted service, PayPal has partnered with Paga, one of Nigeria's most established fintech companies, to enable international payments and local withdrawals for Nigerians. Hear us what that means in practical terms. Nigerians can link their PayPal accounts to Paga wallets. They can now receive international payments, including from more than 200 countries. Users can withdraw funds in Naira, transfer to local bank accounts, and even spend globally at merchants that accept PayPal. This isn't just outbound or sending money. This is real two-way. Global participation. For years, Nigerian freelancers, creators, remote workers, and small businesses struggled because PayPal didn't let Nigerians receive payments or cash out. Locally, this forced people to use workarounds like crypto, informal channels, or offshore accounts. Now with PayPal plus Paga, you can open a global payment channel without shady methods. Your client anywhere in the world can pay you directly. You get your money in Nigeria in local currency. That's a structural shift in earning power. But before we celebrate, we need to talk about the controversy. PayPal locked Nigerians out of inbound payments for over 20 years. Since 2004, Nigerians could only send money, not receive it. PayPal cited fraud concerns and risk issues. But for millions of Nigerians, that was a form of exclusion from global digital commerce. The backlash to the partnership shows lingering resentment. People point out PayPal froze accounts, held funds indefinitely, and banned users with no clear process. Even after the partnership announcement, many Nigerians reported still being restricted when trying to verify and access funds. One user noted that PayPal's systems still block Nigerians, and the same broken verification that caused the 20-year freeze remains in some respects. So while the partnership is exciting, it's also a reminder of a painful past. PayPal didn't return by itself. Its strategy is to work with established local infrastructure rather than try to navigate a complex market alone. Paga already has millions of users, handles compliance, wallets, merchants, remittances, has payment rails, and apps that can scale cross-border flows. This isn't just a partnership. It is a way to make PayPal work within a framework that understands Nigerian realities, regulation, and risk management. For Nigerian freelancers, you can get paid directly in PayPal without workarounds. You can withdraw in Naira or hold foreign currency if you want. You can sell to global audiences and get paid legitimately. For merchants and SMEs, access to PayPal's 400+ million user network. Accept global payments in up to 25 currencies. Settle funds locally through Paga. For the economy, this could bring more dollar liquidity into Nigeria's formal financial system. It can improve Nigeria's competitiveness for remote work payments. But not everyone is celebrating. Critics argue PayPal's return doesn't automatically fix past exclusion or account lockouts. Some fear PayPal could still apply restrictive policies that block Nigerians unfairly. So the question isn't just is PayPal here, it's will this actually work well for everyday Nigerian users? This partnership shows something bigger. Global companies now recognize that African fintech infrastructure is strong, compliant, and worth building on. It also shows that local innovation, not exclusion, wins. PayPal didn't return on its own terms. It came through a Nigerian company built to solve the very problem PayPal ignored for years. So yes, this is big news, but it comes with history, controversy, and questions about how user-friendly it will end up. Comment below. Do you think this will finally make PayPal reliable for Nigerians? And if you want a deep dive on how to use it once it's live, let me know.